Hello, very good morning to all. This side Gagan Kral from Krishna Engineering College, Ghaziabad. We will learn about web technology. Web technology is very important subject. Most of the interviewers directly ask question from this subject at the time of placement. So it is very important subject. What is web technology? Web technology, it is a subject which provides us knowledge how to develop web and how to access web applications over the internet. It will also teach us about the web governing protocols. In this subject, we are also able to learn about various technologies used in web development. Web terminologies. Client. Client, any computer on the network that requests service from the another computer on the network is known as client. Server. Server is any computer that receives request from the client computer and process and revert back output to the client or client server model. In web development, we follow client server model. Client sends the request to the server and server process the request and revert back to the client. Web page. Any page hosted on the internet and which executes with the help of web browser is known as web page. Website. Collection of interrelated web pages hosted on internet is known as website. Next is web development. Web development is the process of creating or modifying web pages. Web browser. Web browser, a program that receives information from the web, or in other words, we can say that web browser is a platform where we are able to execute web pages. Example, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera. These are the examples of web browser domain name. It is a uniform resource locator over the internet for a particular website. For example, Facebook.com, Yahoo.com, YouTube.com. These all are the domain names. HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is used to access World Wide Web over the internet, or we can say that any website on the internet is accessed with the help of Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Now, what is the aim of course? In this course, we have to learn different programming languages which are used in website development. First of all, we will discuss about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to generate static web pages. Web browsers only understand HTML language, so it is mandatory to know about HTML. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. Cascading style sheets are generally used for the representation of web page or the appearance of the web page. XML, Extensible Markup Language. This language is generally used to store the data, or most of the web configuration pages are generated with the help of XML. XML is also used to transfer data from one platform to another platform. JavaScript. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language which is used to make web pages more interactive and responsive. HTML pages are static web pages which do not interact with the user. If we want to make these pages interactive, then we use scripting language JavaScript, client-side scripting language. DHTML, Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. It is the combination of HTML, CSS, and XML. Ajax asynchronous Java and XML. This is a special language which is used to refresh a particular part of a web page instead of complete web page. Java is a high-level programming language. Lots of programs are generated with the help of Java. Java is used in washing machine programming, in banking applications. Java networking. Java networking provides facility to create client and server. Or in other words, we can say that socket and server socket class are used in Java to create client server model. EJB, Enterprise Java Beans. These are used to generate Java apps. JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. This is Java Database Connectivity is a platform which provides interaction between Java programs and database. We are able to store data in database with the help of Java program. Servlets. Servlets are also used in dynamic programming. JSP Java Server Pages. These JSP Java Server Pages are server-side scripting language. Generally, it is used to generate secure web applications. For example, internet banking websites are generally generated with the help of JSP. Thank you for watching.